Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss about Shopsider reviews of United States and whether it is a legit or scam website we'll get to know. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So friends, let's check what this website is providing to the customer. From the images, one can easily understand that this website deals with t-shirts, dresses, accessories, etc. Now let's check about best selling products. So here are some products with reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. Now let's talk about the payment policy. So friends, as you can see there, they accept Visa, PayPal, MasterCard, etc. Now let's go to the shipping policy. So friends, here is the shipping information. As you can see, there are separate sections for shipping based on the countries. For United States, it is 8 to 15 days with a charge of $4.99. Likewise, for Canada, United Kingdom and other countries also details are there. So the shipping depends on the countries. You can also check these points by visiting the website. Let's talk about legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a scam or legit website. This website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means payment gateway is totally safe and secure. Beside this, the website has been registered on 17th of September 2013 and hence it is an old website. Now if you want to know about us page section, let's check into it. So friends, there is an about us page section mentioned in the website. You can also check by visiting their website. Now if you want to know about the contact information, let's check into it. So friends, there is contact information. As you can see, this website is also available in WhatsApp, Facebook. You can even email them directly. You can contact them through WhatsApp as well. So the email address, as you can see here, it is hi@shopsider.com. Even the phone number is mentioned here, and the address of the website is Hennessy Road, Hong Kong. So these are the information about the address. So the complete contact information is also mentioned in the website. And it can be counted as one positive point of the website. Now let's talk about social media presence. So friends, as you can see, this website is already available in Facebook. You can even WhatsApp them. Also, let's check in which platforms this website is available. So friends, this website is available in Facebook, Instagram, etc., which can be counted as one positive point of the website again. Now let's talk about the return and refund policy. So friends, there is a return and refund policy mentioned here. As you can see, you can apply for refund within 14 days from the date of receipt. Now if you want to know about the customer reviews of this section, let's check into it. So friends, this website have customer reviews as well. When we click on any product and we go to the details about the product, you will get to know the customer reviews. So for example, for this product, there are reviews as mentioned here. You can check the customer reviews here. So hence it is again one positive point. Also we checked in Google, there are reviews based on the website. Hence it can be counted another positive point for the website and its legitimacy. If you want to ask about the website content quality, then it is good as it is not copy pasted from other sites. So on basis of above discussion, we can say that this website is legit because there are a lot of positive points in the website, and we advise you to check all these points for all website before making any payments or selection. This website is trustable and you can think of investing money into it. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Also, we advise you to do your own research before investing any money in any website. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all the comments over every videos. Keep commenting. Please like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. So be informed and be safe.